Hello everybody, welcome again to another exciting episode with your Christian medical biochemist. So today we are going to talk about cholesterol. I was teaching a health seminar and somebody asked me, this cholesterol that we are always talking about, that people are always talking about, what is it about? What does it mean? How can we reduce it? I want to answer that question now. I answered it there, but I know a lot of you have such questions in your mind as to cholesterol. Cholesterol is not bad. No. Cholesterol is needed for a lot of metabolic activities or functionings in your body. For instance, cholesterol is needed for the production of vitamin D that is needed for strong bones, strong teeth. Cholesterol is needed for the production of that vitamin D. Now, cholesterol is also needed for the buildup of cellular membrane. Our cells have a casing, have a covering, have a membrane. Cholesterol is one of the key components of the buildup of that membrane. Cholesterol is also needed for the production of certain hormones, reproductive hormones, such as estrogen, progesterone, even adrenal hormones, testosterone also in men. So cholesterol is very, very important. So why are people saying that cholesterol is bad? Excess cholesterol in the body or in the blood is called hypercholesterolemia. Hypercholesterolemia, that's what it is called. It's a big word, I know. I'm even struggling to pronounce it. Hypercholesterolemia. Yes, that's the terminology for excess cholesterol. So the thing is, there are two types of cholesterol. We have the good cholesterol and the bad cholesterol. So good cholesterol is called the high density lipoproteins. Another big word, I know. High density lipoprotein, HDL. We call them good cholesterol. But the bad cholesterol are the low density lipoprotein, LDL, low density lipoprotein. So what are the functions? Now, HDL, high density lipoprotein, which are the good cholesterol, are called good cholesterol because they send or transport cholesterol out of the cells for other metabolic functions and activities. But bad cholesterol, low density lipoproteins, they send cholesterol inside the cell. Now, the more they keep sending cholesterol inside the cells, they can block the cells, they can block passages, leading to things like atherosclerosis, blockage of the arteries, etc., that can lead to other blood issues or blood passage issues. So that's the problem. So how do you get low density lipoproteins, that's the bad cholesterol? Is by eating processed food, consuming them in excess. This processed food, most of them have what we refer to as saturated fats. They have what we refer to as saturated fats to enhance their taste, to enhance their texture, to enhance their feeling. So eating processed food like snacks, eating fried foods, eating, just name the processed foods, they are all over. So fried foods, eating sausages, tinned food, canned food, most of them are loaded with saturated fats. So when you eat these foods in excess, what they do is that they go into your body and they produce these low density lipoproteins that are actually transported into your cells, blocking your cells, blocking your arteries, leading to blockage of blood vessels, atherosclerosis, etc. So cholesterol is not bad. There are natural sources of cholesterol. Eggs, their natural sources, palm oil, they are all good. Even red meat, they are good. But they are not the ones that cause bad cholesterol per se. The ones that cause bad cholesterol are processed foods, like I mentioned, tin foods, canned foods, fried foods, name them, they're everywhere. These processed foods are the ones that cause this bad cholesterol that lead to blockage of cells. So cholesterol is not bad, it is good. What you feed on determines whether you have an excess of good cholesterol or an excess of bad cholesterol. So stay tuned for the next video, the next episode with your Christian medical biochemist. Thank you.